South Africa is the second largest economy in Africa, after Nigeria, and the most industrialized, technologically advanced, and diversified economy in Africa. It is an upper-middle income country, one of only 8 such countries in Africa. South Africa's economy is based on a mixed system, with a strong role for the private sector. The main sectors of the economy are services, mining, and manufacturing. The services sector is the largest sector of the economy, accounting for about 63% of GDP. The main subsectors are finance, trade, and tourism. The mining sector is the second largest sector of the economy, accounting for about 25% of GDP. South Africa is a major producer of gold, platinum, and diamonds. The manufacturing sector accounts for about 12% of GDP. The main subsectors are food processing, chemicals, and machinery. South Africa is a major trading nation, with exports accounting for about 30% of GDP. The main exports are minerals, metals, and agricultural products. The main imports are machinery, chemicals, and petroleum products. South Africa's economy has been growing steadily in recent years, but it has faced a number of challenges, including high unemployment, poverty, and inequality. The country is also facing a number of structural challenges, such as inadequate infrastructure and a shortage of skilled workers. The South African government is implementing a number of reforms to address these challenges and boost economic growth. These reforms include investing in infrastructure, improving education and skills training, and reducing the regulatory burden on businesses. Despite the challenges, the South African economy is still one of the most promising in Africa. The country has a strong foundation, with a diversified economy, a well-educated workforce, and a good infrastructure.